How to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Roblox Studio on your iPhone. Firstly, open App Store on your device. In App Store, search for Roblox. Now in App Store, let's just look at the result. As you can see here, only the Roblox app is available and no Roblox Studio shows up. In this case, you need to go back to your home page. Open any of your preferred web browser. In the web browser, go to create.roblox.com. Make sure you log in to your account by tapping on Login at the top right corner. Enter your credentials like username and password. After that, log in. Once you log in, then tap on this icon at the bottom. After that, scroll down on this menu. Click on Add to Home Screen. Now you need to rename this shortcut. Rename it to Roblox Studio. After typing in Roblox Studio, then click on Add at the top right corner. This way the Roblox Studio app will appear on your home screen. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.